Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a frozen screen or a black screen, and you actually want to go ahead and completely shut this off. How do you actually go ahead and shut off your Nintendo Switch 2? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what often happens is that your Nintendo Switch 2 often enters sleep mode. So by sleep mode, it's ready to actually turn back on whenever you're ready to play. But in order to completely shut it off, all you've got to do is find the power button located up here in the upper left-hand corner, and you want to press and hold this power button for about 3 seconds. As you continue to hold it, you're going to see this menu here pop up. Go ahead and click on Power Options, and then go ahead and click on Power Off. So that right there is actually going to shut off your Nintendo Switch 2 and hopefully resolve any frozen or black screen issues that you might be running into. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.